So we were planning to stop in St. George, but look at this. How can you not take some drone shots of this? The sun is on the mountain. Look at this whole view. So stabilized drones, Anton is going to be on charge of stabilized drones. So he's going to do some stabilized drone shot with his Autel Evo 6K. He's just setting it up. And let some shots begin. So we are in Valley of Fire State National Park. There's a thing, you should not fly drones in most of the national parks. Drones are not allowed. If you have a Part 107, you partner up and then you fly the drones. Beautiful nature, you do not want to disturb with any sort of mishap that happens with drones and everything, and that is the reason my drones are grounded. Yeah. So as you can see, this is a dart thrower used by ancient tribes to give more force to their darts or spears. It was usually a wooden stick between 2 feet long with a hole. And this is like a heritage site, you know, like you should not fly your drones on a heritage site. Now let's go and climb that and see how it looks. So these are called petroglyphs, which means basically tribal drawings and everything. Isn't that great? A very old form of communication that are drawn on the rocks and everything. You can see drawing of feet. Somebody tried to write down their name. That's vandalism. Different sort of drawings out here. As you can see, different drawings on a red rock like this. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, look at these mountains that are carved with small holes where people used to live in these small mountains. You know, climb up. That was their home in between the mountains. A traditional Indian style or tribal style of living. I'm pretty sure, you know, they used to climb up on those corners, live on those ridges. Just imagine yourself back in 10th or 11th century. And you can see people are walking. You can actually walk and climb up to that mountain. If you know the trail and everything, there is a trail where you can walk up like those guys and you can enjoy the view. So that was it from the Valley of Fire, kind of a state park. Do come and visit this beautiful place filled with red rock mountains. If you are somewhere near Vegas, I would highly recommend this because you will see the true tribal form of Native American, not like us Americans, you know, like that we have destroyed everything. But this is what America is to look like, to be very honest. Tribal, native. You'll find paintings on the stone on the red stones and everything. Climb up those mountains, enjoy the view, stay here for at least a day or two. Stop. We are here. Hell yeah, right? Let's go and check this out. Welcome to Utah Life Elevator, right? All the way from Los Angeles to Utah. What did I promise you? We'll go anywhere you want. And now we are at Utah. So still a lot of time, 300 miles, still more 200 miles to reach Salt Lake City, but right now we are here in Utah. Found this bikeman performance. Actually, Anton was out there talking on his phone. He found this, and they have some cool stuff that they have left it out there. Some stickers, some beer mugs, I think so, holders. Some cool t-shirts. It's a little bit dirty, but you know, like they just left it out here. What is it going on? Did I just win some amazing amount of lotto or something? But hey, check them out. Obviously, me and Anton, we are both going to contact them. But what an amazing find. We just stopped in the border and Anton just found it. And it was crazy that we were just vlogging about Utah. But hey, Utah just welcomed us with some freebies. We might as well take it. So see you folks again. We did a lot of videos, lot of FPV shots. I'm going to make another episode where we'll be going through Utah, and that will be another episode. So till then, take care. Keep on watching Techado. Tech videos are not going to happen this week because it's all about traveling, and but there are a lot of tech videos coming up, and I'm going to show you how I'm using iPad and GoPros for this special trip to edit videos and post on my channel. So till then, goodbye. See you again. Take care.